About 9 months ago I got delivered Audi S5, which cost me about $5,000 US. It's a V8 version with manual stick shift. It misfires, well, sometimes. But mainly it was involved in frontal accident. It's got 160,000 miles on its clock, but later we find out that real mileage is about 240. We knew it's a hell lot of work, so we immediately started taking car apart. We wanted to be sure that motor is okay before we take it off the vehicle, so we fixed vacuum leaks, rewired damaged harness and ran compression tests. Engine runs great after these fixes, so we start taking it apart even more. Engine must have been pulled out, since one of the front rails was bent. We took advantage of this action and rinsed the motor and resealed valve covers and put a new alternator pulley as it was damaged as a result of an accident. I've decided to go along with facelift front, as in my opinion looks much better. As a check if we didn't miss any part before going to body shop, I've done this mock-up. Car was loaded up and took to the body shop where they fixed bent rail and couple of small things around. Then the car was taken to the paint shop to get things look great again. Test start shows that not everything is okay with the engine. We find one of the actuators to be faulty, but to replace it, front of the vehicle must come off, as like with most of the things on this car. When front of the vehicle is taken away, we decided to check air intake as these are prone to carbon buildups. What we find is rather surprising: broken switchover flaps. So we took apart even intake to see what's inside. As you can see, switchover flaps were completely collapsed. After long discussion, we decided to fabricate custom liners from sheet metal to keep airflow only through long header path. Also, when intake was off, carbon clean was a must, alongside with injector check and clean. We've done many other checks if everything is okay and started putting all back together. And because airbags were deployed, whole dashboard had to be changed altogether with driver and passenger seat belts. And this is roughly how the result looks like. And of course we did some testing. Car feels great, although there is a few things which needs to be addressed. We spent 98 hours fixing this car and cost me additional 5,000 American dollars, making it roughly 10,000 US dollars in total. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave us some lovely comment below. See you soon.